Students, welcome back. So this is going to be our second round for the day. This time around, I think now we have enough information for us to get the equation of the line. So all the way at the beginning, we were like, here's the equation, give me the graph. Now, here's the graph, give me the equation. So we're going to go back around. I'm just going to do this in 3 steps. Slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. I know you've seen this a lot, especially in 6th grade, 7th grade. After a while, starting maybe next week or after maybe in quarter 2, we'll be dealing with some real-world problems that will involve the slope-intercept form. Okay. Why it's called slope-intercept form is we have our slope, and then we have our y-intercept b. I'm actually not too sure why they selected the letter B for y-intercept. Like, shouldn't it start with the letter Y? I think it was because of whoever invented this. It was in a different language, but I need to go check out my sources. Okay. All right. Step 1. Spot your y-intercept. Your y-intercept is always whatever is passing the y-axis. So I think it is this number, and what is this number over here? -5. So please write 0, -5. We didn't go anywhere left or right, but we did go 5 down. 0, -5. Next, find your slope. We've done this yesterday. So we've already picked one point. Tell me when to stop the pen so that it's a nice point to pick again. Yeah, right over here. It's at the corners of the box. Kabam. Should I start counting at the orange yellow, or the teal blue? Why the teal blue?
Because it's the lefter.
It's more left. Lefter. Whatever the English term is. So, and it's looking like we have to go up. How much up? 3 and 1 to the right. So when you write your slope, is it 1 over 3 or is it 3 over 1?
3 over 1.
Why 3 over 1?
Rise over run.
Rise over run. 3 over 1. You're almost done. Once you have these 2 pieces of information, you're pretty much done. Y is equal to, well, you don't have to write 3 over 1 anymore. You can just write 3, because that's the same thing. And because this is a negative, you can just write -5. Kabam. Get your y-intercept, count your slope, plug them into y equals mx plus b slope-intercept form. Any questions on those 3 steps, you guys? Any questions? Is this sort of coming back? If not, you're learning it today. Okay, anyway, number 40. Well, this looks like it's your y-intercept. What number is that? 1. And how would you write it in coordinate form? Is it 1, 0 or 0, 1? 0, 1. Okay. We're not going anywhere left or right, but we just went 1 up. Good. Step 1 is done. 2. We got to get the slope. Tell me when my pen should be stopped. Ready? Go. No, I'm just kidding. I'll do it one more time. Okay, ready?
Stop.
Right over here. Which one is the more left point? The orange or the teal? I guess the teal. The question A1 had is, could I pick another point that's more left? And the answer is yes. You could pick any 2 points that lands on the corners of the box. But you always just got to start at the left point. It's not always because this is a teal, all right? It's the more left point. Anyway, I'm going to start here. I don't think we're going up. We are going how much down? 5. We're going 5 down, and then 2 to the right. What is the problem with me writing this?
There's no negative.
Yes. Let's put that negative. 5 to 5. One, two, three. Y-intercept slope equation. We're halfway through this round. Any questions? I'll be a little bit more clear with the instructions later on, but on the later, I guess, packets worksheets, I'll make sure the instructions will say, please name the y-intercept, please name the slope, and find the equation, because right now it just says find the equation. Okay, so I'll be a little bit more concrete with that next time. Anyway, what's the y-intercept of this one? 3, yes, right over here, 0, 3. You could use the slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 to find the slope. But this is a horizontal line, you guys. What is the slope of all horizontal lines? 0 on number 16. So, if you guys know that the slope of a horizontal line is 0, you just put that, 0. But what's the equation, though? Very good. If you have a horizontal line, is it x equals or y equals? It's going to be y equals, if we take a look back on number 5. Y equals, well, what number should it be? 3. Because this is where it passes on the y-axis. Y equals 3. Special case. Last special case. Does it even pass the y-axis at all?
No.
So sometimes that happens. You put no or none. None.
NA.
NA, none. All right. You guys are not playing tricks. It's a vertical line. Going back to our notes, what is your slope number of a vertical line? Or does it even have a number?
Undefined.
It is undefined. M is undefined. Or no slope. There's no number that we can attach to that. With a similar logic with 41, is it y equals or x equals? X equals, well, what number? -5, because it passes on the x-axis at -5. You have enough information now to do numbers. Please do 43 to 48 now. And I will do 43 silently. Yes, put all 3. Yes, y-intercept, slope, equation.
Wait, until what?
48. Okay. If you guys are a little bit lost, number 43 is on the board.